Good evening. About 2 years ago, I organized a public meeting in this room about the peaker plant proposed for our town. Hundreds of people showed up. Invitations were extended to council to attend this vital meeting. 2 came. I asked the remaining 3 this evening, when did you take your finger off the public pulse of the people who elected you? Why, when people turn to you for help, does it take an average of 5 tries before you respond? I came up here from the big city. I was a principal in a high-tech company. I have a small business. I'm a writer, a farmer, a mother. I have been branded as an environmentalist, but I think of myself more as an eco-economist. It is cheaper to protect our water and our air than to invest in water treatment plants and puffers if we don't. We will garner tens of millions of dollars in cultural tourism with spin-offs to local small businesses and homeowners by nurturing and developing our history. In particular, the site of Fort Willenbury at the Lower Landing, which makes us older than Toronto and worthy of celebration. Over the past 5 years, I've been involved in important issues and made dozens of deputations to municipalities and attended hundreds of hours of meetings at the region, Simcoe County, and Queen's Park. For those of you coming into politics for the first time, you have a very steep learning curve. If you haven't already, as I have, please study the provincial documents, Places to Grow, Greenbelt Plan, Oak Ridges Moraine Plan, Lake Simcoe Protection Plan. You need to know how these mesh with our official plan. I am ready to hit the ground running. To the public servants who have encouraged me to stay involved and who have urged me to run for council, you've set the bar very high, and I hope to be able to touch it from time to time. And finally, to my daughter Lily, you are my hero, and I hope I can make you proud of me. Thank you.